are really interesting animals. They have long tusks and a long trunk. Their tusks never stop growing. Since they are so big, elephants need to eat a lot of grass every day. They also eat plants, woody parts of trees, bamboo, flowers, fruits, grasses, herbs, leaves, sugarcane, twigs, and seeds. They even dig for roots. Elephants eat up to 250 kilograms of food a day. They also drink a bathtub full of water. A herd of elephants is like a big family. Some herds have 100 elephants. The leader of the herd is the oldest elephant. Elephants communicate with one another using sounds to cry, roar, snort, and they rumble. They say hello by hugging each other with their trunks. They also feel sad when another elephant dies. A mummy elephant keeps the baby in her tummy for 2 years before it comes out. The baby is very, very, very big. Elephant calves suck their trunks like babies sucking their thumbs. Elephant trunks are really amazing. They are used for smelling, breathing, trumpeting, drinking, and picking up objects. The trunk contains around 100,000 different muscles. Elephants are scared of bees, even though bees are much, much smaller than elephants. They will flap their ears, make noise, kick up dust, and even run away. At Francis Street Zoo, we are privileged to have not one, but 2 elephants living on the street. They are well trained and do not need to be friends. You are welcome to pet them or even go in a ride inside one of them. The elephants feed on petrol supplied by the local 7-Eleven and are increasingly expensive to maintain. It is uncertain why our zoo has 2 such elephants. For some reason, our head zookeeper decided to buy a new elephant without selling the old one. Bye!